ntNet is an application that allows you to identify plants from photos. It's free and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play on your mobile phone, or accessed via the web. Once the application is loaded, it will ask you to choose a flora, that is, a list of plants in which you wish to search by default. And if your GPS is activated, the search is automatically based on your location. But you can also select an area in the Special Flora tab. In Micro Projects, select Weeds of Sugarcane in Australia. ntNet will prompt you to create an account. By creating an account, you will be able to track and share your data with the community and contribute to projects such as the Weeds of Sugarcane in Australia project. Go to the Registration tab and create your account. It's important to enable the GPS, as only geolocated data can be included in projects once you've created your account. Here are a few settings you'll need to make for optimum use of the application. In Profile, go to the menu located in the three dots and click Option. Then My Data. Here you can activate the buttons to make the geolocation of your next weed observation public. In this way, you authorise the application to share the data you collect on ntNet with the community. On the identification page, go to Filter, deactivate the automatic search when a photo is added. Deactivating this function allows you to add several images to your observation. Go to the Identification tab. You are inside the Weeds of Sugarcane in Australia micro project, which means that your observations and searches will be carried out in the flora specific to the project. To make an identification request, you can take a photo of a plant by clicking on the camera or go and find an image in your gallery. You can upload up to 4 photos for a single observation. Make sure your photos are of good quality, that are well framed, in focus, without objects or people, and avoid multiple plant species in the frame. The quality of the identification result depends largely on the quality of the images submitted. For each image added, the application will ask you to specify which organ it is. The application is much more efficient if you add several photos for the same plant, and if you illustrate several organs, flowers, leaves, fruit, or bark. Once your images have been loaded, click on Search to launch the identification process. The results appear in the form of a list of plants sorted in order of certainty. You can enlarge the images, illustrating each species by clicking on them. Clicking on the species name takes you to a page containing various information and web references about the species, as well as all the images shared by other ntNet users sorted by organ. Once you choose your species, validate your choice of identification by pressing Confirm. Don't hesitate to then share your findings. Even if you're not sure, other more qualified users will be able to review your identification, then share your observation with the community. Your data will contribute to improving knowledge of species encountered in sugarcane in Australia. They will be integrated into the micro project, and you will become a player in participatory science. The Feeds tab gives you access to all the observations shared in the project. By clicking on Observation Details, you can report a misjudged observation, that is, one made up of photos of different species or a misidentified one. You can vote for the species name, re-tag an organ, and vote for image quality. The Species tab lets you explore all the plant species in the flora of Weeds of Sugarcane in Australia. You can browse by family, genus, or species. ntNet allows you to identify plants and become an actor of citizen sciences. For further information on PlantNet, go to the SRA website via the link displayed or directly access PlantNet via the other link.